Hello, you might be wondering where I am. I am in Buenos Aires. And this is the start of my YouTube channel.
Thank you very much.
Feel the heat.
How? This is Michael El Greco
Christodolides. My travelling partner.
We are now here in Buenos Aires.
18 hours later, finally made it. This is the start of my life. I'm gonna keep you all updated on my journey. This is part 1.
Making our way to the hotel, the hostel even, and we're gonna be slumming it
For months and months. And yeah, I'll keep you posted when we get our bags. So this is what we're working with. Looking like a bit of a dickhead right now, but I've got to get used to it because this is my life. He is too. Oh no, he's holding his because he's not a fucking man like that. But here we are. Look at. Do we need a taxi?
Yeah, I think we do.
We do need a taxi. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys when we're in the taxi. So guys, we made it into the cab with Michael and our driver here. Everyone was trying to finesse us, but we weren't getting finessed. I don't really know how much we're going to be paying right now, but we kind of just had to do it because it's boiling right now.
It's looking beautiful. Skies are blue. Some clouds are out.
Wow, can't get much better than this. Practicing the Spanish too, incredible. So,
Madre mia.
I'll keep you posted when we get to the hostel, and hopefully you will see Finn there. Who's Finn, you're asking? You'll find out.
Here is the elusive Philly that I was talking about.
We finally made it to the hostel. Taxi was calm, speaking Spanish the whole time. Say hello to everyone.
What are you saying, bro?
Currently on the 5th floor.
This mad fucking view. Here's Philly.
Whoa. A month ago they didn't want to know. Now I see no. I mean, it's calling phone.
There's Michael, take you through for a little room tour. Cribs type shit. First, take you into our little bathroom. You've not actually seen it before. Proper tiny little bathroom. Then we got this little toilet. There's no sink. A bit weird. Yeah, no, there is no sink here. Then we go over here, we got fucking 2 beds, like top bunk, bottom. Oh, there's the sink. Then we got top bunk, bottom bunk, and this is my bunk.
You fucking pig straws and you know, sometimes you take the L, and I took the L. But we're back, we'll come back for more, and next time I'll be at the bottom doing my thing. But to be fair, Michael's more of a bottom kind of guy, isn't he?
Yeah, man's a fucking
Lights up the fucking bum. So guys, we've stepped out.
As you can see,
Oh, I've got a cup.
I've got a cut too. We're having to do the mosquito spray.
Look at my legs.
Things are not looking good right now. There's Finley's legs.
He's been beat up, that's not looking good. I'm not trying to be like that. So thankfully Finley's spraying us up and we're not going to get the same treatment.
So we've left the hostel now, we've got a couple drinks.
Gonna go consume something green and then eat some food, and I'll keep you posted. We managed to find somewhere to eat, and I'm now here with
Finley and Michael. Finley's getting the camera out.
from his phone that he got for free, but we'll tell you that story another day. So I'm drinking some wine, which was free with the meal.
It's not free though, get paid for it.
No, but
Obviously, like, basically, the story is we came here, found out that it was about £15 for an all-you-can-eat. Huh? £12.
same but different for a man like me. But yeah, £12 meal with a bottle of wine each, unlimited food,
Like steak, chorizos.
I'm gonna take you on a journey now.
Oh, man.
Let's go. So, this is the kind of what you go up to.
As you're walking past, all this different food. You got empanadas just there, because there's empanadas everywhere here. And then you just got bare meat on deck. All the cured ham. Then you get the veggies, a little bit of lime, lemon. Sometimes you want to add that to your chicken, lemon chicken. Some greens. But you know, that's not what we're really here for. Here's some more stuff. Yeah, it's all a bit mad. Michael's come now. He's going to show you the process. So you grab one of these little silver trays. See over here, we're at Siga la Vaca. Authentic Argentinian steak. Last time I got some pollo, some chicken, some vacuno, and then burritos. See over here.
It's all a bit crazy.
Yeah, this food is mad.
And it's so cheap, I can't believe it. I'm in disbelief.
You didn't know this is all the inside of a cow.
They've got sauces.
They've got sauces. Oh wow. They got sauces. They got sauces.
Yeah, I mean, it's a thing. When you go to Latin countries, even Portugal, they don't like sauce over there, but no, I'm all here for it. Like, I don't really like sauces either, I don't fuck with that. But
what am I gonna get? What are you gonna get? Hola. Sí, quiero chorizo, por favor.
Mira cómo está esto.
Sí.
Chetuki, mi hermano.
Y ¿qué?
Chorizos.
Sí, sí.
I'll get one as well.
Chinchulines.
Sí, chinchulini también.
Costillas de vaca.
Un poco, por favor.
Ahí va.
Y 2 chorizos para mí.
2 choris para el amigo.
Sí. ¿Y chinchulini?
Chinchulines.
Sí.
Ahí estamos, amigo.
Gracias, amigo.
Gracias.
Una chorizo.
So as you saw there, that is mad. All of this, yeah, it's fucking crazy out here, man. This is the first meal I've had. I can't believe it's going like this. £12. This, a bottle of wine. Stay tuned, I'm about to get lit. We are done with the meal. On our way out, we're gonna go try watch the darts. As you can see here, I'm being a bad boy. I've got a cigarette. Shouldn't be doing it, but the wine's got to me.
Michael in front. There's less people here now than there were before.
Our guy who was doing us the meats, he's gone. Probably on a little break. He deserved it. He was working hard. It's my guy.
Bar here. Took all the bottles of wine. Gracias.
Sí, puedo hablar con toda la gente.
Finley in his Chelsea hat.
It's boiling right now. It's 4 p.m, 5 p.m. About to walk out into some sunshine. Wow.
Wow, we are actually filming. Fuck.
He's getting cool for that one.
We're going that way, straight back. As you can see, beautiful skyline out here, looking like New York City. We got Michael El Nitno. Whoa.
Listen, mate.
Smoke waste.
You're the one that begged me for a cigarette, bro.
I didn't beg, I just asked. But I'm gonna go back to the hostel now, watch Luke Littler, 16-year-old, win the darts champion. If I could bet, I'd be betting 10 grand on it right now. But thankfully I can't because I'm not in the UK. So good morning everyone. We got pretty tired yesterday and fell asleep when we got to the pool table. It's a good thing I didn't bet all my money on Luke Littler to win because he lost. So yeah, I would have been broke and I would be going home right now if I could bet. So it's a good thing I can't. With Michael, Finley's asleep. He came back at like 4 in the morning. He was salsa dancing with some but we'll keep that quiet. We're now on our way to Western Union to go get some peas because you need to go to Western Union here because they fucking hate people getting money for some reason. They just try and make it difficult. But yeah, catch you when we're there. So I tried to record whilst I was getting my money. It didn't work, she told me to turn it off, but man's out here, man's breaded, you see that? Yeah, cool. Man's running the country now. I'm basically kingpin, call me Pablo. But yeah, catch you guys when we're back. I'm gonna have this money all over my arm like I'm doing some fucking trap video. And then hopefully we'll go shopping, do a little bit of this and that today, and I'll keep you posted. Peace. So guys, we made it to a food market. Well,
this part isn't a food market, this is just like clothes and shit.
This is where our boy Finley got his
vinyl store as well.
Yeah,
Vinyls over here, Lip Jagger.
Yeah, this is where Finley got his Argentina top yesterday for absolute pennies.
but it's looking kind of dry right now. It's quite early on in the day, 11:30. I think we should turn around and
Go back to the scran.
go back to the scran. That's
Scranny
food in
comfort.
Northern English for all of you non-English people out there.
But I don't know what to eat. This is the problem because it's early, but I'm hungry. We didn't have dinner last night because we passed out. So I need something filling, but it's hot, it's humid.
They got the matcha
so
thing here as well.
It's not for me. Matcha, I don't even fuck with matcha like that. I'm not gonna lie.
I've never had it, but
Swear.
I see the cups everywhere with the little fucking sticks and shit.
Yeah, the green matcha.
Yeah, hit him up with a stick, mate.
Hit him up with a stick. Sticky.
So this is the food bit. Obviously this one's closed right now. The Lucia tapas. Oh, they got raclettes here, man. This just reminds me of fucking Mercato Metropolitano, Elephant and Castle, if you've ever been.
Oh, they got big
The Borough Market. Huh?
over there, right? I see some bit. Let's loop round.
Yeah, don't tempt me with something like that because you know I want to.
Yeah, here, bro. They had some
Boca
wild
Juniors, crepes, fucking everything, man. Wow.
There's just so much choice. I actually don't know what to go with. So
I don't think they
I'll
cook
come
it.
back with you. Come back to you when we found something to eat. So I think we've decided on chicken burgers at the Market Burger spot.
For American breakfast.
So we've gone for the crispy chicken, BLCT, but no tomato for me. Fuck the tomato, sin tomate.
No hay billete de 10.000.
Demasiado dinero.
Well, Michael popping for both of us. Appreciate that, Michael.
Charge it to the game.
Charge A. So food's arrived. Nice little chicken burger. Wow. Wow, that's looking fucking. See what the first bite said. Whoa. That's flavoured though.
Shit.
Would recommend. Gonna eat this all and tell you how it goes.
Right now.
So that shit has sauce in it, but it still gets the AMIT stamp of approval. Would recommend. The Market Burger, Buenos Aires. Visit when you come. Michael, what do you think?
This burger's fucking incredible. The chicken is so crispy. Fucking the bacon was out of this world. The cheese has complemented it well.
It's 10-10. 10-10. Nah, not 10-10. That was rash of me.
I give it an 8.8.
8.5 for me.
Yeah. But cool. I'm gonna go to the barber shop and I'll catch you, man, when we're there. So we're out and about by ourselves now. I left Michael in the dust because he's already got a nice trim.
I found this little spot. Telmo Barber.
It's like 4.8 stars, pretty high rated on Google. So we're gonna get a trim here, see if they can do me a nice little skin fade because I'm looking a bit dusty right now. I'll let you know how it goes. So man's just done his trim. Big up the fucking Telmo Barber. Gee, bro, fucking crazy, man. Man's done it up nicely. Clearly my Spanish is on point because I was like, yo, do this, that, the other. I'm looking for a skin fade. Wow, fucking, I don't even know if you can hear that. Let's see if this camera works well enough, but yeah. Got the skin fade, got the 2 on top. It's a good thing I got my barber back home to give me a video as well. Had to show him that quick time. Like, yo, this is what I'm looking for. And man's feeling fresh, ready to go, ready to hit the streets, do what I want for the rest of the week. The next haircut's gonna be in Uruguay probably, maybe even in Brazil. We'll see what happens. Probably gonna get my hair a different color. We're gonna go blonde, rubio. But yeah, fucking gonna make it back to the hostel now, link up with Michael and Finley, and then see where the day takes us. So I went to the hostel, quick 1-2. We all got ready. We're about to go explore the town now. Incara Messi over here. Goal, goal, goal. We got little purple on here.
Captain Perps.
Man's rocking the shorts for Mumsy.
Money goes
This is his Marge. I mean, don't we all, to be fair? That car is fucked up.
That is some dinger, bro.
They don't know how to drive around here. I can teach them a thing or two. Oh yeah, they don't have to do their driving test. Finney was telling us a story about this girl he was chatting to, and she was driving manual, and Finney doesn't know how to do that. And she was like, yeah, I didn't actually do a test. I just wrote my name on a piece of paper, and then they just let me drive. So yeah, that's why all the cars are bare fucked up here. Probably why they got police on all the roads, just so that they can be wary for all the accidents. So guys, that is the end of episode 1 of my travels. Thanks so much if you made it this far. If you've enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe so that you can know when new releases are out. And don't forget to drop a comment. If you want day-to-day updates, just follow my Insta, shown here and linked below. I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported me and supported me on my journey. It means a lot. I'm going to try and post consistently every 2 weeks, and the editing will be getting better as we go. But for now, I hope you've enjoyed episode 1 and more on Buenos Aires to come. Peace out.